if you are someone who is suffering from Bell's palsy and synkinesis and is doing regular mirror exercises using a mirror like this, then let me tell you, my friend, this is a wrong way of doing mirror exercise. So then what's the right way of doing mirror exercise? I'm going to share that with you in this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's begin. Friends, mirror exercises are of great benefit when it comes to retraining your facial muscles. Not only in facial rehab, mirror exercises are of great help while doing any format of exercise, because when you get a right feedback, you basically can correct your patterns and can work towards it. But there is a problem when you do mirror exercises like this, keeping your face directly in front of your mirror when you are suffering from Bell's palsy or synkinesis. Now what happens when you keep a mirror exactly in front of your face like this, you see not only the good side of the face but the affected side of the face as well. Now the feedback that your brain receives while looking straight into the mirror is the fact that the affected side is not moving the way ideally it should, which can frustrate you when you, even though are trying very hard to do the movements in the correct way, it's just not happening. This increases the frustration, increases the stress and increases the release of neurotransmitters, which turns wrong patterns furthermore. That's why there is an altered way of doing facial exercise with the help of mirror, and that's where you need two mirrors instead of one. Now this is called as a mirror therapy or mirror box treatment, which is also used in other neuro rehabilitation like stroke. Here we use the principle of mirror neurons, which says that when you observe anything for a long period of time, the brain registers it and try to practice it. In the similar way, when you use a mirror where you only see the good side of the face, you are activating those mirror neurons and you are reducing the intensity or understanding of the affected side of the face, that it's not moving in the right way. This tricks the brain and encourages you to do the movements in a much more natural manner as you were using it before. Now I'm not saying this from just random stuff. This is evidence, this is proven in multiple studies that a mirror feedback exercises using the mirror therapy approach is far more effective than the regular exercises. So let me tell you how to use this mirror exercise while doing your practice.
And the other mirror you're going to place exactly in front, as you can see here in the screen, in a way that you see the reflection of your face on the mirror. Now for this you need to do a bit of adjustment, as you can see here, and after doing certain adjustment, then I'm able to see the reflection of the good side of my face on the other mirror. So to show it from the front, this is how I'll be placing the mirror, halfway showing the good side of the face, and I'll see the reflection on the mirror of the good side of the face. So here the affected side is completely hidden. We don't want to see the affected side because we want to trick our brain, showing that everything is all right. And then you are going to practice expressions. Please remember, this exercise is only done for expression practice. It is not done to strengthen your muscles, it is not done to train any particular muscles. This is for your expressions. This is to check how you use your face on a day to day basis. So if you like this video, make sure to like button and don't forget to subscribe.